Okay, so what we're doing today, we're now working with inequalities. So yesterday you worked with equations, and again you're looking at each expression on each side of our symbol and seeing at what the relationship is. So yesterday we were looking to see if it was equal on each side, and then we were trying to see what the relationship was if it was false. In this case, we're looking to see if the symbol between them is a true statement, and if it's not, then we're going to go ahead and put down what the relationship is, if it's equal, less than, or greater than. So we're doing the same thing, same process as yesterday. We're going to work out both sides of the inequality, but now we're going to be looking to see if the left side is greater than the right side in this case, because the symbol is greater than. So make sure you remember how those symbols, how you to read those symbols, because if you don't remember, you're gonna have trouble with this assignment. So make sure you are working both sides. And again, we're gonna start with the same thing. We're gonna draw a line in the middle, and we're gonna work them out, and we're gonna still use our order of operation. So parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide from left to right, and add and subtract from left to right. So let's start with our first side, which is our left side. So you have 2 times -8 plus -6. So we don't have parentheses, we do not have exponents, but we do have multiplication. And we only have one multiplication, so I'm going to go ahead and multiply 2 times -8. Now, if you remember the rules and you remember the triangle, remember you have a plus sign on the top. Actually, it's the other way around. I forgot. So you have an upside down, so you have a plus on the bottom and then a minus minus. And remember, this was your happy face, your Chinese face or Asian face. I don't remember what it was called. But this is what we do. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to put it this way. So we're going to go ahead and do this. So you have 2 times -8. So a positive times a negative is going to give you a negative, which is 16, and then plus a -6. Now remember, because you have a plus and negative, the negative takes over. So I'm going to pretend the plus is not here. And then I know a negative plus a negative, you're going to go ahead and continue being negative, and then you're going to add them. So 16 plus 6 is going to give you 22. So this is -22. Now you could tell right away that this is not going to be the same as the other one, because the other one doesn't even have negatives. So we're going to go ahead and solve this. And again, we're going to start with parentheses. There's none. There is no exponents, but there is multiplication and division. So you have 2 times 5 is 10, and 10 plus 1 is going to be our next one, which is 11. So -22, they're saying that it's greater than 11. And we know that negatives is going to be less than. So this is not a true statement. So this is false. Okay, and because it's false, we're going to say that -22 is going to be less than. So our relationship is -22 is less than 11. So this is my answer. So you have false as your answer, and your less than. So make sure, remember, this is going to have 2 answers last time. You have to answer true or false, and then you're going to go ahead and answer the relationship. Is it equal, is it less than, or is it greater than? So go ahead and watch this video. Make sure you watch it in its entirety. Come back to it if you have trouble with the other video, with the other problems. You do have only this one example, and then you have the one from the warm-up. So make sure that you are doing the other ones. Come back to the video and watch it, because this does help a lot. So good luck on the other 4 problems, and if you have questions, make sure you email me or send me a Schoology message, and I'll answer you as soon as possible. So good luck on your assignment.